Hello. In this video, we will learn how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft To Do. First, click on Create, then select Zaps. Please wait while the content loads. Once the content has loaded, click on Trigger. Here, you'll select ClickUp as your trigger. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs, and then click Continue. Select the appropriate workspace for your needs, and then hit Continue. Next, click on Test Trigger. Wait for the content to load, then click Skip Test. Once again, click on Continue. Choose the application you want to integrate from the search results. In that, select Microsoft To Do. Then choose the action event you want. Then click Continue. Here, pick the list that matches your preference. You'll need to enter the task. To enter the task, click on the three dots. In that, select Custom option. Then enter a value that suits your needs. Once you've entered the necessary value, click Continue, and then proceed to the next step. Click on Test Setup, then choose Skip Test. Once everything is set, click on Publish. Now you can see that ClickUp is integrated with Microsoft To Do. Thank you.